Hey, what's happening, guys? This is Nick. So today I actually want to briefly talk about one of my recent projects that I created for myself. The app itself is called Speak Out. It's a text-to-speech Google Chrome extension. And the main reason behind the creation of this app is that back to my college, I always suffered from my reading speed, as well as to be able to understand a huge text-based material effectively inside of a very short amount of the time. But in reality, I find that actually a person could absorb more information by listening to someone talk to you instead of you reading by yourself. So that being said, I was always seeking a better way to transfer text material into audio file, and that can help me to understand things faster. So with that reason, it's actually giving me a very good concept to getting started with this app. Alright, so now if you move your mouse to the upper right side of the corner, you can see there's a little bird icon over here. If you click that little bird icon, it will show you one of the interface from the app. I call this interface as Lockers page because it's pretty much turn off all the features and benefits you can get from this app. But if you want to get back to, let's say, get back to the regular interface, you can move your mouse over a little locker over here. And if you click that little locker, it can turn you back to the normal interface. So if you take a look at this interface, you can see there's a lot of little icons or buttons around here. By manipulating all these kind of buttons, you can get the perfect outcome for yourself. Cool. So as I mentioned before, this app actually is a text-to-speech Chrome extension. So one of the most important features for this app is trying to let the computer to read the words or the sentence that we selected on the browser. So now if we go to a random page, and let's say if we want the computer to read the first sentence for us, all we have to do is use your mouse to select it. And once we release the mouse, the computer will again start to read it. So now I'm going to release my mouse.
This article is about the beverage. For its manufacturer, see the Coca-Cola Company.
Sweet. So now it gets the reaction back from the computer. And now let's hand back to the interface of the app. So if you take a look at the handlebar sitting in the middle over here, so what this handlebar is trying to do is actually give us the opportunity to choose the different reading speed that we prefer to. So let's say if we want, if some people they really prefer to a faster reading speed, all we have to do is slice the handlebar all the way to the right side. And now if we go back to the browser and let the computer read the same sentence again.
This article is about the beverage. For its manufacturer, see the Coca-Cola Company.
So you can easily find that the second reading actually is way faster than the first one. Okay, so the next feature I want to introduce you guys is those two little icons sitting around here. So the functionality behind those two icons is that you can choose the voice gender. As you can see right now, we're selecting the male's voice. But if you want a female voice, it's pretty easy. Just use your mouse to select the left side icon, and then we can leave the setting just like that. And now if we go back to the browser, we can let the computer to read the same sentence by using a female voice right now.
This article is about the beverage. For its manufacturer, see the Coca-Cola Company.
Pretty cool, right? Okay, so last feature I want to introduce you guys is the little translator appeared over here at the bottom of the page. Because I feel like a lot of people nowadays, they are second language speakers just like me. So when we are reading a foreign language pages, we will find some kind of words we really don't understand. And I don't want to waste people's time to find themselves to find the definition of the words by themselves. The whole process is pretty lame. So what you can do by using this app is that you can use your mouse to select the words that you want to hear, and by releasing the mouse,
Manufactured.
you will see the definition of that words translated in Chinese appear inside of the tooltip for you to read. And now if you hand back to the interface of the app, you'll notice that the words you just searched before, it's appeared at the bottom of this page right now. So that means the new words you are just searching before is saved inside of your local Google Chrome storage now for future reference. And now if you trying to click that words again, the definition of that word translated in Chinese is appeared inside of the drop-down menu as well. The last things I want to mention before the end of this video is that when I create this little translator tool, I actually put some logic inside of it. As you can see right now, you can look for your previous words which you searched before in a word list, and the word list actually follows the first in last out rule to save the words inside of it. The maximum amount of the words you can save inside of a list is set up to 20 words. So that means even though you already hit up to 20 words in your list, you still can save the new words inside of it. It just makes the new room for your new words by eliminating the last words from your old list. So that's pretty much all about the feature I want to introduce you for this app. And I wish you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys next time.